Hey folks, Adam here, and we're very lucky because we're one of the first to be able to test out the incredible Creality Falcon T1. This is the world's first 5-in-1 laser engraver. We've been able to engrave some very cool items, so let's go ahead, we're going to check it out, we're going to give you all the details, we're going to show you some of our engraving, our before and after, and let's kick it off right now. So first and foremost, this is a 5-in-1 laser powerhouse. You can have the 20-watt diode, the 40-watt, the 60-watt, the 20-watt fiber, or the 5-watt UV. So you've got so many different options here. In addition, this has flexible laser module replacement. You can swap them out easily and efficiently. 10,000 mm per second galvo mirror technology. And of course, this has full material processing capability. This is fully compatible with both Falcon and Lightburn's software, and I tell you what, the precision is second to none. Ultra precision to 0.01 millimeters for incredible accuracy, even on things like coins or cards or whatever you may be engraving. So one of our first tests, we started with this little sheet. Let's go ahead and show you the results here in a moment. And you can see the very cool designs we were able to make. This really was able to work on a lot of cool projects over and over again. We were able to do some serious engraving. In fact, after an afternoon of testing, my assistant Julian really got into coasters. He took an entire set of coasters home with him, but you can see the level of detail that you're able to engrave and print. Literally in a matter of minutes, you can customize and come up with great gift ideas for the family. And folks, I think that's a big selling point for me, whether we're working with glass, we're working with a lighter material, we're working with wood, stone, steel, coins, doesn't matter what it is, we're able to engrave some really cool products. We were able to do trading cards, we were able to do wood, we were able to do these hanging pendants. So there's so much that this can do with a variety of powers, and it just takes a few minutes to get set up. I think one of the other big selling points for me is the ease of setup, that this thing came practically out of the box, ready to go. It's also very safe, has the exhaust vent, and has everything you need to make sure that you're protected. No worries guaranteed. So folks, for me, the Creality T1 stands out because it's not just another engraver. It's designed to replace multiple machines with one smarter, more flexible setup. Creality markets it as a 5-in-1 laser engraver with features aiming to engrave, cut, help with metal color, and of course, a whole lot more. It does 3D relief work, AI-assisted workflows, and it gives you a much broader creative range than a single basic engraver. And of course, we want to focus on the speed. The Falcon T1 is 7 to 8 times faster than its competitors. What really makes this better is the convenience and versatility. Many engravers force buyers to choose between beginner-friendly simplicity and advanced capability. The T1 is positioned to offer both. A more all-in-one experience for users who want something personalized and explore project types and avoid upgrading soon, time and time again. If someone wants one machine that can grow with them instead of being limited, this is the device for you. So folks, in simple terms, you're going to want to pick this up if you want an entire creative workshop. One, again, that's going to grow with you. Instead of just a single device that's good for one thing, you've got a workshop that's going to allow you to do multiple materials, multiple types of projects, and it's going to allow you to advance, and you don't have to buy a new machine every time you get better with your skill set. So the bottom line is the Falcon T1 is compelling because it promises more capability, more flexibility, and more future-proof value than the standard engraver. For buyers who want one machine that can do a whole lot more with a bunch of possibilities, this is a powerful tool to choose. So hopefully in this video, we'll be able to show you some real life use throughout the overlays. We've made a lot of projects already out of it, and we've only had it for about a week, but this was easy to learn. It's a perfect gift idea for that mom or dad who wants to get into engraving, but it's also a great gift idea or for somebody who is already an expert, who is already at that advanced level. You're going to love it as well. Now again, it ties into multiple types of software. It can use AI to create what you want to create. You can engrave what you want to engrave. So folks, with that being said, it's time to go pick one up. It's time to order yours today. I have to give you a big shout out to Creality. Creality's been making high quality products. They're kind of the standard bearer. They're the leader in the industry when it comes to engraving and printing. These guys are the best. They have a great reputation and practically a zero defect rate. And I believe that matters as well as a company that has been doing this. They're not overnight. They're not fly by night. They care about their brand and their image, and they've made things that truly work for me and you. So folks, if you're looking for the best of the best, if you're looking for a premium brand to where you can make things like coins, gift ideas, think about this, birthday parties, you can engrave signs and banners and all sorts of things, your own custom cards, from top to bottom, stem to stern, they've got you covered. This is something that once you get into it, you're going to be engraving everything for your friends. Folks, you know I love you. You know I appreciate you. But it's time to go ahead and get to shopping. It's time to pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Think about that. All the different materials, from glass to steel to wood, everything you can imagine. You can do color on that steel. You can go ahead and make things look kind of 3D. It's very, very cool. I recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Also, folks, Creality is celebrating its 12th anniversary. The T1 will soon be available for pre-order. Early bird customers will enjoy exclusive surprises, so stay tuned. Again, my name is Adam. We're dedicated to giving you the best reviews in the land, and this one is a premium. We'll put all of the information to where you can be the first in your neighborhood to own one at the best price possible in the description below. Go check that out. Information right there. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.